Hello y'all, so it is vlogmas day 6 and I'm finally decorating my Christmas tree. After how long? It's been up for how long? Christmas is 4 days away and my tree is not decorated? What? So basically we've been finessing the tree with the lights, so you know it has lights on it already, so it looks like something, but obviously when the lights are off it looks like nothing. It looks like a tree. So I'm going to decorate it today and I'm gonna wrap some gifts today. I only have like 2 gifts so far. Christmas is 4 days away. This is not a good Christmas. I'm super late this Christmas. Alright, so I got my ornaments and quite frankly I'm so confused as to why this is all I can find. Like, this is pathetic. I promise we usually have more ornaments than this. Y'all hear the music? Okay, so anyways, I'm confused. We have way more ornaments than this and I can't find anything. So I might have to stop by one of these stores tomorrow and buy some more. I actually was trying to go for like a one color theme type of look, like all silver or all gold or all red, whatever, but clearly I can't do that with this. So yeah, I'm gonna just work with this for now, and tomorrow if I feel like it I'm gonna go buy some more ornaments, but I'm gonna work with this. I have my green tea. Ooh, look at that bokeh. That looks nice. Hey. Lit. See, this camera's not that bad. It's just the overheating. That's the problem. And that's why I hate it. But I love the autofocus on it. It's just so nice. Anyways, I can't wait until I have my own place so I can just decorate my own tree and like do it however I want to. And just have this unconventional tree. The cutest tree I saw so far is from 𝖭𝖚𝖚𝖚𝖚 on Instagram. She's like a fashion designer and her tree is so cute. I'm gonna put a picture right here. But yeah, her tree is so cute and I want to do something like that when I get my own place. For now, we do the basic stuff, the same old. I hate the ornaments that have like the string, because it's hard to put the loop in, and I hate this. I like the hooks. You could just hook them on. This you gotta kind of like push up all in the leaves and stuff. These are my favorite ones. You guys can't even see. Maybe I should put the light on. These are my favorite ones. The ones that aren't basic balls and bells, like this one. It's so cute. And this, and then these icicles. They probably gonna be down by the end of this summer.
Seem like the whole city go against me. Every time I'm in the street, I hear yeah.
Sink or swim. She had an attitude in the summer, but she being nice again. Double my price again. Whoa. This one looks like the Grinch. I don't know why. It just reminds me of the Grinch. I guess because it's green and fuzzy, right? I don't know where the angel is. Or the star, I mean the star, not the angel. But this is what I have for right now.